Hi, my name is Nurin Elisa. I'm from MBA 3114M, and today's my presentation is about rail transportation of LRT Kelana Jaya line. So first of all, what is rail transportation? Rail transportation is the most important mode of public transportation that used around the world. It plays significant roles supporting economics, development, improving mobility, and reducing road congestion in urban areas. It is designed to move large amount of people efficiently, safely, and sustainability. Compared to other transportation, such as road transportation, rail transportation offers several benefits such as lower carbon emissions, reduced time travel, and also better energy efficiency. So in Malaysia, we have been introduced to various of systems such as light rail transport, which is LRT, mass rapid transport, MRT, commuter train, and also high-speed rail. What is the characteristic of rail transportation? So rail transportation is known for the high passenger capacity, efficiency, and also reliability. Most of the modern rail system use the advanced technologies such as automated signaling system, electronic ticketing, and real-time passengers information system to improve the operational performance. This system can operate either on elevated, underground, or ground level tracks depending on the location and also infrastructure requirement. So it's commonly integrated with other public transport systems such as buses, taxis, to improve the accessibility and convenience for other passengers. The punctuality. So the rail system usually operates according to the fixed time of schedule. So it allows passengers to plan their travel times more effectively. The advantages that we can find is ability to transport a large number of passengers efficiently, especially during peak hours. This helps reduce the road traffic congestion and improves overall urban mobility. The another one, it was more safer and more environmentally sustainable compared to many of the transportation modes. The use of the electric power trains reduce the air pollution and also support the sustainability transportation goals. Furthermore, rail system is often provide the affordable transportation for daily commuters. Despite all these advantages, rail transportation also has some disadvantages. So one of it was the development and the maintenance of rail infrastructure require the high cost and long-term investment. They also may experience overcrowding during peak hours due to the increasing passengers demand. Another things that we can find is technical failures, signaling problems, and maintenance issues that disrupt the train services and affect the operational efficiency. Next is infrastructure and network. Infrastructure consists of railway tracks, station, signaling system, train depot, power supply system, and communication system that support the train operation. These components are important to ensure safety, efficiency, and reliability within the rail networks. These are usually designed to connect the residential areas, commercial centers, industrial zones, and also the transportation hubs. Integration with other transportation systems such as buses, airports, and park and ride facilities improve the connectivity and passengers' convenience. Another thing is modern rail system. They also include some of the advanced infrastructure such as automated train control system, platform safety system, surveillance cameras, and electronic ticketing system. We move to the policies. So governments play the important role in developing and managing the transportation system through the policies and regulation. Many governments promote the public transportation usage to reduce the traffic jam, fuel consumption, and environmental pollution. So the policies that related to this system is include infrastructure investment, public transport subsidies, safety regulation, and sustainable mobility initiatives. They are supporting the use of this rail transportation because the rail system produces the lower carbon emissions than the private vehicles. The issues and challenges that we can find within the system is that overcrowding during the peak hours caused by the increasing of urban population and high passengers demand. Overcrowding can reduce the passengers' comfort and also service efficiency. Another challenge is that the high cost of developing and maintaining infrastructure. The system requires the continuous maintenance, upgrading, and monitoring to ensure the safe and reliable operations. The failures of these technical issues may also occur due to the signals problems, train malfunctions, or infrastructure damage. This disruption can affect the commuter satisfaction and reduce the public confidence in rail transportation system. So the environmental factors such as heavy rain, flooding, and extreme weather conditions may affect the railway maintenance strategies, and strong stakeholders cooperation are necessary to improve the sustainability and reliability of the rail transportation system. Next is stakeholders. Stakeholders are individual or organizations that involve in planning, operation, management, and the use of rail transportation system. They play the important roles in ensuring the efficient and reliable transportation services. Government are the major stakeholders because they develop the transportation policies, providing fundings, and regulate rail operations. Rail operators are responsible for managing the train services, maintenance work, safety system, and customer service. Passengers are also the important stakeholders because they rely on the rail transportation for daily commuting activities. Other stakeholders that include contractors, engineers, maintenance teams, urban planners, and also technology providers. These parties contribute to infrastructure development, technical support, system upgrades, and future transportation planning. My case study of rail transportation is LRT Kelana Jaya line. The LRT Kelana Jaya line experienced significant overcrowding during the peak hours in 2023 due to increasing passengers demand and limited train capacity. According to the Transport Minister Anthony Lok, the Kelana Jaya line is one of the busiest rail transit systems in Klang Valley, serving approximately 200,000 passengers daily, which contributes to congestions and longer waiting times during the peak periods. In June 2023, reports indicate that the Kelana Jaya line had reached 123% of its design passengers capacity, highlighting the growing pressure of the rail system and concerns regarding the overcrowding and service efficiency. So this is the data that the ridership in LRT Kelana Jaya line in June 2023. Next, Kelana Jaya line experienced the increasing overcrowding and repeated service disruption between 2025 to 2026 due to technical failures, signal faults, and growing passengers demand. Several incidents caused delays during the peak hours, resulting in crowded platforms, longer waiting times, and commuter dissatisfaction. Rapid rail implements crowd control measures, alternative train service, and repair works to reduce the impact on passengers. While operators and engineers worked to restore the services, commuters were directly affected by the delays and the overcrowding. The situation highlighted that the challenges such as aging infrastructure, increasing ridership, and the need for continuous maintenance and capacity to improve. So this is the data that I've got of ridership in LRT Kelana Jaya line in 30 April 2025 until 30 April 2026. That's all from me, the rail transportation of LRT Kelana Jaya line case. Thank you very much for listening.